Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to create query in LibreOffice Base. If you want to do it, you need to go to Queries tab, and after that you need to go to Create Query in Design View. Now you need to select Tables and select one from few available tables. If you don't know how to create table, I recommend you to watch my previous video where I show you how to create a simple table. So now I select it and I click Add button. After that I click Close. And how you see table information have been successfully added here. So I can resize this table. So here we have table information, client ID, name, date and sales. So for example, I will create query where I will display only names and sales. So if I want to do it, I need to click double time on name and I need to click double time on sales. After that, it will be successfully added to these fields. So now if we want to run this query, we need to click on this one icon or press F5 from our keyboard. So I click here, and how you see name and sales are visible here. If we would like to filter this information, for example, get only sales from Martin, we need to type here on criterion Martin. After that, we need to run this query again, so I click on it, and then we have displayed here all Martin sales. If you would like to modify this criterion and get sales of Martin and maybe Patrick, we need to type here Patrick. So we will select all name and sales information from the table number 1, where the name is Martin or Patrick. So now I run this query, and how you see it is visible here. But of course everything is in design view. If you would like to disable this view, I recommend you to go to view and uncheck this option. Then you can check your real query, so you can always check it or modify it if you want. So for example, if I would like to add here date column to display, I need to type here comma after sales. I need to type here quote after the comma. I need to type here date because I have date column in my table. And I need to type here quote sein again. Then we can run this query again. So I click run query, and how you see date has been successfully inserted here. Of course, we can easily go back to design mode. So I go to view and I select here switch design view. Of course, we can try here other filters here. So for example, I delete here criterion for Martin and I delete criterion for Patrick. So I delete it. And maybe I would like to get only sales where the value is 250. So I type here this value and then I run query. And then we will get only Patrick sale. Now maybe I will delete this criterion. So I delete it and I run query again to display all data. And I would like to get sales from 11 October 2025. So on date I need to type 11/10/25 and I run the query. So I click on it and here we have sales from Patrick and Camila. And of course everything from selected date. Okay, so now if we would like to save this query, we need to click on this one icon to save and we need to click on save as. Then we need to type the query name. For example, date query, and I click OK button to save it. So now we can close this window, and how you see date query has been successfully inserted here. So it is how it works. If I helped you to use it, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solves your problem.